Here with ES Loud International. No matter what part of the world you may be from, this is a free ebook for you to download. And I encourage you to also print this up because it has not only all the goodies that you're going to learn on how to start your first company, it also has extra pages so you can keep notes, keep track of your passwords, usernames. So it's a free download. 2022 is almost here. This is the perfect time for you to start your own business. Learn how to do it the right way. Make the first one. Everyone after that is going to be much easier. So it doesn't matter if you're in the United States, South America, anywhere part of the world, download this book. It's free. ESLoud, right above me.com. This is where you can download the book. If you're advanced in marketing, go to ES Loud International, which you're going to see it right here. And then you can get all the tools. You got over 30 different types of affiliate marketing products and services there that you can go through, pick and choose what is best for you and your company. And let's do this. Let's get your free ebook today.